Hello, it's Roque here, back with another video. It is 12/14/2023. I was trading my simulated account again with MES contracts. That's the micro ES. It was a good day. Trading range day, and I traded it very well. Was expecting a market retracement back up to the highs of the trading range, and I caught a nice little swing on 8 contracts total. Um, Let me see what the math is really quick on what I earned. So it was 60% on 8 contracts total. So nice 60% gain on the day with 8 contracts. Now, I want to give a special shout out to my friend Mileidy Rachel. So she's been watching every single one of my videos. Also, um, learning English from them as well. So that's really cool. Shout out to you. This video is this day has good luck because you watch my videos. All right, so let's take a look at the chart. Let's see here. Okay, so looking at the chart here, so you can obviously see a trading range day. I arrived late around bar 18, which is great because that is part of my plan here. You can see that I have a sticky note to wait for bar 18. And the reason why is because I want to wait to see the direction of the market before I get in. And so what I was seeing is that we were getting a bear trend, and it was more of like a trading range, right? So like we're going up and down really big, and this is after a huge bull trend day, right? So, it's obvious that, excuse me, I had to burp. That more macro players are going to be taking profits, and that's what this is all about here. You know, um, bigger guys, bigger players are starting to take profit, and we get a bull flag, which is a bear channel, right? When you think of bear channel, you should think of bull flag. And so if you think of bull flag and bear channels, you know that there is a high percentage of a bull breakout, right? And that's exactly what we got here. When I arrived, it was trading range activity. We were making moves down from bears, but followed by strong rallies. Down bear, strong rally, down bear. We're seeing that we're above the EMA. When we get below it, we couldn't even close below it. So I felt comfortable buying as it was going down, right? Because I'm fading, and I just was trading small. So another thing I want to say that I'm really proud about is that I'm obviously trading better when I have a larger account. When I was doing my smaller account, it was very, very difficult because I was, trying to manage my risk based off of one contract because I had such a small account. I can't risk like 5% of my account on a small account. It'll wipe me. In order to properly like manage my trade, I would be risking that much on a small trade. You should never risk 5% on your account. So even all these trades, I was taking 2 contracts at a time and added like 1 or 2 later. When I was doing that, I'm still below my 1% risk on the day. So yeah. I felt comfortable fading this movement down. I had my stop loss originally kind of at the lows here, and then I said, you know what? It's likely that we're going to break down a little bit further. Let me widen my stop really wide and wait to see what the market does. And then this big candle happens here. It's a big bear reversal candle down from the high of the trading range down to the low. And I said, wow, this looks scary. But, knowing myself when I was, starting, trading or whatever, I would have been scared out of here. I'm like, oh my God, we're going to break lower. But, I want to wait for a confirmation, which is that follow through. And the follow through was bad. So like we bounced up. That said to me, okay, there's buyers here. This is still a trading range, but who knows, like bears might see this as a good sell and sell on lower, and they did, and then buyers stepped in again, and we got this smaller trading range. That's when I decided to buy more as it started to break up. It was a failure, back up. But then you can see on the 1 minute, sorry about this, I started monitoring the 1 minute. I said, okay, let me get a better picture here of what's going on. So I added 2 contracts here, 2 contracts here, failure, top of the bear channel, comes down. I said, okay, this is where I'm going to see whether if bears are going to succeed or not. This is that continuation, right? They failed here, but they're getting a breakdown here. If I see a bull candle, especially a bull reversal candle, I'm going to get long. And that's exactly what I was seeing. So we got this breakup, got the breakdown. I saw the bull reversal candle here telling me that there was a lot of buyers waiting here. And I bet that, bulls would have been just, buying in massively here. And they did. It shot up to the upside. Now we got to break above the the bear channel, right? So I added another 2 contracts. And so wait, no, I added 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. And then I added 1 here and 1 here. And then I sold here. The reason why is because it was approaching my profit taking level. I saw that we were weakening here, right? Like it was kind of hovering around here, and we're still in this trading range. So I wanted to guarantee my profits. I didn't really care for, this much more. I think in the future, I'm going to just start to sell at the market about maybe 80% of my position, and then let this thing ride out, because my profit targets were up here. So let's take a look at the video that was shown. Recorded my trade. So you can see this is where I first entered. I said, okay, we're getting a little strength here. Bouncing about 50% of this whole move. And I said, okay, this is my actual risk here. Where's my 2-to-1? My 2-to-1 was up here, right? So then we go forward. Okay, we're breaking down. Said, okay, this is not good. You'll see. I have a little surprise too. So this is where I start thinking about buying again. I'm like, okay, we're failing down here. We got this break of this, small bull trend, but, immediate trading range activity. I'm checking swinging indicators that rose developed. Okay, so now I'm in 4 contracts, but we're failing here. I keep my stop loss wide. My sell limit is down a little bit lower, right? So I entered again. Let's see exactly when I did it. So I saw we were getting at the bottom of the 1 minute. You can see. Just waiting to see what happens. Slowing down. We get this wipe, and I'm like, I don't think that's going to last. It's exhaustive, right? And that's exactly what happened. You can see buyers are stepping in. You can see these long wicks. This is a warning that we're not going down much further. And this is where I started, I think. Okay. I'm going to buy 2 more at the bid, and I got filled. Boop. Got it. So now I'm up 20% or 15%, now 30% on 6 contracts, right? Me and Pico are celebrating. And you can see I'm in my full position here. This was my first take profit. But as we started going there, I was getting a little nervous. See, I didn't like these pullbacks. And so I was like, I'm going to close it. I'm up 60%. I don't care. And we continued up, which is good. But, you can see that there was a little bit of a pullback, right? And this is what I wanted to avoid, and I didn't want bears to really scale in up here, right? So, yeah, I mean, I missed out on another 30%, could have gotten a 10 point, but I'm okay with that. I'm consistently doing well. And that's what's important. So, I'm going to go. I also noticed, like, I watch my own videos too, and I notice I don't make a lot of eye contact with the camera, and so it just makes it look really weird because I'm like always looking at my computer, and like I'm like looking at the chart still, even right now. Like, this is what I'm looking at. I'm just like, looking at stuff and whatever. But I'm gonna make it an effort to look at the camera too. So yeah, all right, good day. I got new Invisalign in, which is good. Fixing my bites and stuff. Not really aesthetic reasons, but yeah, it hurts, but I'm very happy. Moving soon. I'm going down to Florida. Gonna room up with my buddy Merrick, who put me onto Brooks' trading course. So yeah, good changes coming up. If anything, I'm very, very stoked. I'm looking forward to a lot of things. I love the way I'm trading. It's making me think like, okay, like, you know, I think I should maybe like start swinging options and stuff like on the daily closes and everything. And um, and I made some really good bets in terms of other assets, and I'm trying to think ahead of time. Okay, like where am I gonna put, this money? Like, should I buy a house or whatever? And being that I'm doing pretty well here, I might just make a large trading account and just go for it. But obviously, I'm going to be consistently um, doing my paper trading sort of stuff until like I feel really good to really scale in. So, all right, love you. Bye.